In a 9-minute video, Al-Qaeda's chief, Ayman Al-Zawahiri, has spoken on the Karnataka Hijab row. The video was verified by Site Intelligence, an American non-governmental organization that tracks online activity of white supremacist and jihadist outfits, reports Hindustan Times. The video is titled The Noble Woman of India. Al-Zawahiri jumped into the hijab row which originated in Karnataka and praised Bibi Muskan Zainab Khan, a college student from Mandya who went viral for her shouting Allahu Akbar slogans in response to a group of boys who were chanting Jai Shri Ram. The terror outfit chief also accused the pagan Hindu democracy of India for seeking to oppress Muslims. It should be noted that the Karnataka High Court had upheld the ban on wearing hijab in the educational institutions. The petitioners in the hijab case have challenged the Karnataka High Court's ruling in the Supreme Court. Reacting over the posted video on the hijab row by the leader of Al-Qaeda, Ayman Al-Zawahiri, defense expert Dhruv Katoch on Wednesday said that for Zawahiri to wade into the hijab row is the most hypocritical thing, as the way Al-Qaeda suppresses and mistreats their women is just ironical to his statement given in the video. Karnataka Home Minister Araga Gyanendra on Wednesday said that the video statement released by the Al-Qaeda chief Ayman Al-Zawahiri on the hijab row and praising student Muskan Khan for standing in defense of the headscarf and chanting Allahu Akbar proves the involvement of unseen hands behind the row. He said the Home and Police Department officials are keeping a watch on developments and tracking things in this connection. Ayman Khan, former deputy chairman Rajya Sabha, condemned the video and said, "The hijab issue is an internal matter of our country. It has nothing to do with other organizations. The video surfacing shouldn't be taken into consideration with the issue and the focus shouldn't be changed." Speaking to the media, this is what Muskan's father had to say.
ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಏನು ಅಂತಲೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ನನಗೆ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖಾಂತರನೇ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು, ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಿಪ್ ತೋರಿಸಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾವ್ರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿದ್ದು. ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರಂತನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನನಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ.
ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ ಏನಂತ ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್?
ಅದೇನೋ ಅರಬಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳವ್ರೆ ಅವರು, ಬಟ್ ನನಗೂ ಅದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇನೋ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್, ಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಬೇರೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಂತ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡವ್ರು ಅವ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಂತೆ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಕೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಬಟ್ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಈ ಥರ ಪ್ರಶಂಸನೆ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ?
ತಪ್ಪು ಸರ್, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಗೊಂದಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಂದು ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ, ಜಗಳ ಆಡೋಸಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ.